It is just a very dirty process. The nature of it is very dirty. We were creating basically a huge dust cloud down there, causing disruptions in the process. So I wanted to come up with a way that we could try to alleviate downtime with adding some sort of filtration, which was discussed with the SMAC team.
We work with dust that's considered heavily toxic, and we're charged with ensuring that that stuff gets captured and is not pumped out into the atmosphere.
The iron ore that we melt into the furnace, it'll degrade and create fines. Those fines, they can be combustible, and that's when we started getting introduced to the SMAC units and put those in, and we ended up, we're doubling the amount of fines that we're collecting.
I've been running for years with dust everywhere, all over all equipment. What I was able to do is I was able to take a filtration, a SMAC unit, and be able to run the process cleaner, more efficient.
They perform way above our expectations.